Good morning everyone. My name is Shraddha Olympiad. I am studying in class 4. Here I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Thursday and today's date is 24th of July 2025. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shraddha. I am studying in grade 4. Today I am going to tell you good thought. Every Thursday we observe Thought Leader Thursday. Sir Jasper Wilson was a British economist and politician. He introduced income tax in India on July 24, 1860. The tax was started to raise in money after the 1856-57 revolt. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Shraddha from grade 4.
Good morning everyone. My name is Tanvi Kalpe from grade 4.
Good morning everyone. I am Shraddha from grade 4.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shruti Zangre from grade 4.
Today we are telling you today's importance of the day. On July 24 every year we celebrate Income Tax Day. What is income tax? Income tax is money that people pay to the government from the money they earn. It is used to help the country grow and take care of everyone.
Why do we pay income tax? To build schools, hospitals and roads. To pay for police, firefighters and other helpers. Taxes keep our country running.
History of Income Tax Day started on July 24, 1860. Introduced by Sir James Wilson. It was needed to raise money after a war.
Who pays taxes? Adults who earn money, businesses and companies we pay taxes to. We from Shraddha Olympiad School wanted to send a message that paying income tax is an important duty for every citizen.
Taxes help the government to build schools, hospitals, roads and parks.
People who pay taxes help India grow and develop. On Income Tax Day, let's salute the people who support India's progress. Thank you.
All of you get ready for the breathing exercise. All of you stand straight. Take a deep breath in. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Release your breath. All of you take a deep breath in. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale through your mouth. One more time. Take a deep breath in. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale through your mouth. Thank you so much.